Have you been hearing about automation, artificial intelligence, and now AI agents and thought, cool, but what do I actually do with this in my online business? The truth is, the people who learn how to apply these 3 levels of technology the right way will have a huge advantage in the digital market in 2025. And today, I'm going to break it all down for you in a way that's simple, practical, and straight to the point. No tech jargon, no fluff. Just what will actually help you make more money and work less. Stick with me until the end, because you're going to leave this video knowing exactly which of these tools you can start using today, even if you're a complete beginner. Hey everyone, welcome to Digital Profit Hacks, the place where you'll find the smartest strategies using automation and AI to grow your online business. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and let's get straight into the good stuff. Let's start with the basics. Automation. Maybe you've heard that term before, but let's talk about what it really means in practice. Think about those repetitive tasks you do every single day in your digital business. Answering the same DMs, manually scheduling posts, sending the same welcome email to every new subscriber. That's where automation comes in. You set up a task once, and then it runs on autopilot, without you ever touching it again. It's like switching your business to auto mode. Imagine a production line. Every time a product comes through, the machine does the same steps. Packs, labels, ships. Simple, repetitive, and super efficient. Want a real example? Let's say you create a landing page offering a free mini ebook in exchange for someone's email address. As soon as they sign up, boom, they automatically receive that ebook in their inbox. You didn't even have to lift a finger. That's automation working for you. Another one. It's Monday morning, and while everyone's scrambling to post on social media, you're sipping your coffee peacefully. Because your entire content for the week was scheduled on buffer last Friday. That's automation too. And no, you don't need a huge budget to get started. Here are some tools you can use right now, even for free. Mailchimp for email automations. Buffer or Later for social media scheduling. Zapier to connect different apps and create trigger actions. Like, when someone buys on my site, send me a Slack notification. Trello plus Butler to automate internal workflows. Even Google Sheets with add-ons that send alerts, automate emails, or generate reports. And the best part? Most of these tools have free plans that are more than enough when you're just getting started. Automation is not a luxury. It's the first smart move to scale your business and stop drowning in busy work. While others are spending their energy on repetitive tasks, you'll be focusing on what really matters: creating, selling, and growing. And if you're still wondering if it's worth it, think about this. Every task you automate is one less thing draining your time and energy every single day. Multiply that by weeks and months, and you'll see how digital businesses actually become sustainable. Automation is freedom. It's predictability. It's intelligent productivity. And you can start right now with what you already have. No coding, no team, no complexity. At the end of the day, automation is like having a virtual assistant who never sleeps, never forgets, and always gets the job done exactly how you told them to, as many times as needed. And that, my friend, is the kind of edge that puts you miles ahead in the digital game. But what if I told you there's a next level? Something that doesn't just execute. It learns and gets better over time. Welcome to the world of AI automation. If basic automation is like programming a robot to repeat tasks, AI automation is like giving that robot a brain, one that learns and gets smarter every week. Picture this. You've got an email marketing tool. Traditionally, it blasts the same message to everyone at the same time, right? Now imagine that tool realizes Anna opens emails at 8 a.m., but John only clicks them around 9 p.m., so it automatically adjusts the send time for each one. No extra work from you. Even better, it starts figuring out which subject lines get more opens, which messages drive more sales, and what types of content connect best with each customer. That's AI automation at work. Sounds like magic? It's not. It's data. AI tools analyze behavior, spot patterns, and automatically adjust to improve results without you lifting a finger. It's like having an invisible assistant who not only runs your automations, but studies your audience. tests variations, and keeps optimizing every single day. And here's the kicker. It's not just for big players like Amazon anymore. You can use this right now in your own business, no matter the size. Here are some tools making it happen. ManyChat with GPT. Create chatbots that actually learn from conversations, respond naturally, and even offer personalized product suggestions. ActiveCampaign with AI sends emails based on user behavior and adjusts messaging based on where they are in the funnel. Shopify with predictive apps detects purchase trends and recommends products automatically. There's more. ConvertKit is starting to roll out smart segmentation using AI. Klaviyo, used by tons of e-commerce brands, already sends campaigns based on individual lead behavior. Even MailerLite, super beginner-friendly, is adding AI into their automation flows. Quick story. You know how Amazon seems to always know what you're about to buy next? That's not intuition. That's artificial intelligence. It tracks your purchases, analyzes your preferences, and tailors recommendations based on your behavior, location, history, all in real time. And what happens? You end up seeing that one perfect offer, and you buy. That's AI increasing the lifetime value of each customer. More purchases, more revenue, less effort. Now imagine doing the same in your own business. More clicks, more conversions, less stress. And no, you don't need to be a programmer. These platforms handle the heavy lifting. You just set it up and let the AI do the work. AI automation is the engine of any modern online business. It connects data, behavior, and action in real time. And if you start now, you're still early in the game, which means massive competitive edge. If you're still stuck sending generic emails and copy-pasting replies, it's time to level up, because AI isn't the future anymore. It's the present. Now let's go one step further. This is where things start to feel like science fiction, but they're very real. And they're getting more accessible every single day. We're talking about AI agents. Unlike standard automations or even smart automations, AI agents think for themselves. We're not talking, if this happens, do that. We're talking, this is my goal, figure out how to make it happen. And yes, they do. Let me show you how this works. Let's say you want to launch a digital product. Could be an ebook, a course, a simple info product. You tell the AI agent, I want to create a sales funnel for this, reach the right audience, and make my first sales. That agent could analyze the market using real data and trends, suggest or even write your landing page copy based on your audience, create automated emails for every step of the funnel, decide which tools to use, like ConvertKit, Notion, Zapier, Stripe, and connect them, track performance, and adjust the strategy automatically. And it can do all of this without you spending hours researching tutorials or fighting with integrations. This is already happening with tools like AutoGPT, which breaks down long tasks into micro steps and executes them, AgentGPT, that builds agents capable of setting goals and acting on them, LangChain, the infrastructure behind advanced AI agents that interact with APIs and external systems. And there's more. Microsoft Copilot agents are coming, ready to integrate into Word, Excel, Teams, and Power BI. Notion already has autonomous workflows running on AI. And new tools are launching every month that promise to turn a simple goal into an entire business operation, without you doing the work. Think about this. You're running your business solo or with a tiny team. And now you suddenly have access to something that plays the role of a project manager, divides tasks, sets deadlines, tracks progress, a copywriter, writes persuasive copy based on A/B testing and data, a data analyst, reads metrics, and suggests improvements. Even a designer or video editor, thanks to AI tools that create content in seconds, all working 24/7. No salary, no burnout, no vacation days. That's what we call a silent revolution. AI agents aren't flashy yet, but if you learn how to use them now, you'll have a massive edge when everyone else is still trying to catch up in 2025. Now listen, you don't need to replace everything overnight. Start small. Here's the smart way to move forward. 1. Start with basic automation, email sequences, social media scheduling, lead follow-ups. 2. Then, move into AI-enhanced automation, smart flows, chatbots, behavior-based actions. 3. And finally, experiment with AI agents to take over multi-step workflows and decision-making. Let's quickly recap. Automation handles repetitive tasks with fixed rules. AI automation learns, adapts, and optimizes. AI agents think, plan, and act independently. Each level frees you from the grind. Each step brings more intelligence to your systems. And with every upgrade, you move closer to having a digital machine running almost entirely on its own, while you focus on growing your brand. So now I want to know, which of these levels are you already using? And which one do you want to master over the next 30 days? Drop a comment below and let's talk. And if you want a step-by-step guide to help you get started with automation and AI the smart way, check the pinned comment below. I've got something special for you there. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, hit the bell, and share it with a friend who needs to stop doing everything manually. Thanks for watching until the end, and as always, let's profit.